For many years, people believed Parkinson's disease was only about one thing, a missing brain chemical called dopamine. But the real story begins much earlier and much deeper inside the cell. Today, we will learn three things. First, what truly starts Parkinson's? Second, why the body warns us for years before the shaking begins. And third, how bringing calcium back into balance can change the path of this disease and bring real hope. Let's begin. The first thing to understand is calcium. Inside the brain, some cells work like a clock that never stops. To keep that rhythm, calcium must move in and out of the cell again and again. Over many years, this hard work wears the cell down. Dopamine does go down in Parkinson's. That part is true, but it is not where things begin. The deeper change comes first. Calcium that the cell can no longer keep in balance. This is where Parkinson's truly begins. The second thing is timing. The shaking hand is not the start of the disease. It is a late chapter. For years before the body gives us quiet signs. A loss of smell, slow digestion, strange active dreams, a low mood with no clear reason. These early signs come from the same calcium problem, moving slowly through many cell groups. When we learn to read them, we see the disease long before the tremor arrives. If this is helpful so far, leave a comment below with your questions. I read them and I answer. The third thing is the most hopeful one. The calcium problem happens at three places inside the cell: the outer wall, the inner store, and the small energy factories of the cell. When all three lose their rhythm, the cell can no longer cope. But this can be guided back. Anti-orbital ionic calcium therapy, or AIC, works at these 3 points. It helps calcium move in the right way again. As balance returns, the cell breathes easier. Movement grows steadier. The tremor softens. The early signs begin to settle. The disease slows down. And this is the good news at the heart of the story. Parkinson's is not a single broken part. It is a rhythm that drifted away, and a rhythm can be brought back. This is the goal of AIC therapy, to guide calcium back to its balance gently and step by step. As that balance returns, the body remembers how to move with calm and control. For more clear answers about calcium and your heart, subscribe and join us in the next video.